I don't want to go to school, Dorian the Gamer. You have to bend Lucero. Go to school now. Welcome to school, we will be doing reading first. JK Yawanda, you need to get out. I am not TK Yawanda. Let's start anyway. Roblox gameplay, spell hello. HELLO. Hello! How did the hell did he do that? That's IT. I am going to pull the fire alarm. Pulled. Let's see what IT does. How could you, Ben? This is a false alarm. Don't evacuate. I repeat, don't evacuate. Ben Lucero. How dare you pull the fire alarm? That's IT. Go to the headmaster's office now. What belongs to my office, Ben Lucero the mall screamer? I pulled the fire alarm. Ben Lucero. How dare you pull the fire alarm? That's IT. You are expelled forever. Go home now. Ben Lucero, how dare you pull the fire alarm in school? That's IT. You are grounded for 1 septillion years. Go to your room now.